Not for the first time.
Thank you very much.
Great.
Thank you.
Your wife.
Yes, she's here. No, not in later. Hi.
Please welcome the Prime Minister of the State of Israel and the President of the Republic of Kenya.
It's a different country.
Yes.
Gentlemen, please. Please exchange and you can start.
Good morning.
I would like to
And of course you came to Nairobi 2016
Yes.
and 2017.
I've come to after 3 years after the Entebbe rescue.
Yes.
Didn't have relations at the time with Uganda.
Correct.
So the Mossad arranged for me. I was deputy minister.
In Nairobi?
Yes.
Maybe more.
Never
Having been-
visited Kenya per se.
Yes. Correct. Time you come to Nairobi, you should go beyond Nairobi. You should visit.
Well, we're working. Warm welcome to you and your delegation,
Thank you very much.
which is another great expression of the friendship between Israel and Kenya that goes back a
Many
long,
years, 60
long,
years now.
60 years. Really.
Yeah.
I was going to say with ups and ups.
Yes.
And this is another up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.